The strongest snowfall actually paralyzed traffic in the state of Colorado. As a result, a number of highways were closed. Americans have been suffering from terrible snowfalls since the end of December. Unfortunately, weather forecasters do not predict an improvement in the situation in the near future. Because the storm originated on the west coast instead of Canada like most storms in the winter months, it contained air that was much warmer than normal. Due to the fact that the temperature was not too low, the snow was very wet. Because the snow contained so much moisture and was therefore so heavy, it caused many tree limbs to snap and even brought down entire trees in some areas. In these shots, you can see how thick the layer of snow was. It took a long time to at least partially clear the city of snow. Finally, some roads could be driven, but look at those snow-covered cars. Snow gave someone a festive mood on New Year's Eve, but someone created big problems. These dogs look quite happy. It looks like they love snow. The snow, combined with strong winds, made it difficult to walk down the street calmly. Some locals had to clear the snow on the whole first day of the new year. Most of the snow fell in the highlands of the Sierra Nevada. A lot of cars went astray due to poor visibility on the roads. Cars were covered with snow. The roads were cleared with the help of heavy equipment. But sleet covered the roads and cars again. Even on snowmobiles, it was difficult to move because of the strong wind.
Roll it over. Yeah, kill it when it does this. Just roll it over. Yeah, kill it when it does this.
More than 30 centimeters of snow fell in such settlements as Morrison, Conifer, Evergreen, Genesee, and Cold Creek Canyon. How long Colorado will be in snow captivity is unknown.